to Science Booth, and today we will be opening another Lego set.
And what's the Lego set from?
Super Mario, and this is Yemen, and this is Lucy, and this is lightsaber.
Can you show everybody how the lightsaber works before we start? Cool. And where did Lucy the axolotl and Lemon the axolotl come from? You don't remember? It's one of your favorite YouTube channels. Aquarium Info. So the axolotl plushies, Mommy bought those for Edgy, and they're from his favorite YouTube channel, Aquarium Info. But for today, we're going to be unboxing this Lego Super Mario. It's a mystery box, and whatever is inside, Edgy is going to build for you guys for his video.
Oh, that's the one I wanted.
We'll see what it is.
If it's not it, it's okay.
If it's not it, it's okay, because the cool thing about these Super Mario Legos is that you could mix and match all the sets. You can build whatever you want.
I didn't get the same one, but it's not the one that I want. Is that okay?
That's okay.
So,
Which one did you get? Can you show everybody?
Oh, I left that. I can't
That's
show
okay.
that one.
Let's see if we can find out which one it is. Oh, looks like this one. It's ripped. Careful, be careful when you're unfolding it.
I'll show you it. So I got this one.
Can I do a close up? Oh, which one is that one? Can I see? I think it's the guy that throws the wrenches. I forgot what they're called, but they're kind of a tricky enemy to beat. All right, so why don't we go ahead and build it?
Oh, they're kind of a tricky enemy to beat.
Because they stand on platforms, they jump from platform to platform, and they throw wrenches. So they're kind of annoying to fight in the video game. Yeah, but go ahead and build it.
There's bags, Daddy.
There's bags. Do you need help? Here you go.
Oh!
There you go. Make sure we get all the pieces out.
What if we don't?
All right, all the pieces are out. Let's move the axolotls and let's show the audience the pieces that we have. So this is what we have currently. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and start building. Okay. Cool.
That's a what we get. This. Here. Yes. Here.
You got this, Edge. You're very good at this.
I don't know if I'm doing this way, but
I'm sure you are. You're very good at this. I mean, you kind of helped build Bowser's ship, so this you could do this one.
yeah.
So you'll build the bad guy, and then
Yeah.
afterwards we'll fast forward. Ooh, there you go. You got part of him done. Keep going. Maybe try putting that part the other way.
No, I didn't get this. Let me put this wrong. So it's...
There you go.
No, but this one's right. I'm sorry, guys.
It's okay. Take your time.
Ah.
Let's find out.
Wait,
I think you had it right the first time.
no. Like this. This piece.
There you go.
Oh,
Can I see? What do you need me to do? Do you need me to help
I
you?
got this.
Okay.
And in the end, we're gonna show off one of my Mario characters and see how it looks.
Okay. Do you want to finish building that guy?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and finish building. So we're gonna fast forward the video, and by the time at the next part of the video, you guys will see this all fully built. All right, so Edgy finished building the Mario Mystery Lego set, and he has this bad guy. I think this is the Boomerang Koopa in the snow level, and he's gonna show you how his
And he's really not easy to defeat.
No, he's not, because he could jump from platform to platform. But let's show them how Luigi beats him. Go ahead, Luigi.
Wait.
Oh! Okay, Luigi.
Oh, I took him off.
Oh, turn him on. All right, let's see how you do it.
I think if you have to beat him, you have to go behind him.
Yeah.
So he doesn't see you.
There we go. Cool. Is there anything you want to tell your audience to end the video?
Bye-bye, guys.